Hey, this is David with another cruise ship tour. This time is the MSC Seaside. I'm here in the beautiful atrium on deck 5. I like to start with the lowest deck. Forward of the atrium, pretty much all you have is the MSC photo gallery, and forward of that is the forward elevators and cabins. So we'll go from the atrium where you have guest services, the Wi-Fi desk, and the seaside bar. And we start heading aft just a little bit on the starboard side. We'll come to the middle elevators, 4 on each side. Morning. And in the middle is the Seashore restaurant where they serve breakfast and lunch. Next we'll skip to deck 6 forward. All the way forward on deck 6 is the Metropolitan Theater. There's entrances on both sides. We will exit that way right now. The main entrances are on 4 at the top of the theater in the back, but I really like these entrances on 6. They get you in and out a lot faster. We're heading aft on the starboard side. Here's the starboard side elevator bank. These are smart elevators. I like them. Go to decks 4 through 19 right here. We're heading aft. This next area is called the Piazza Grande. We'll have a lot of stores, your chocolateria. That's something you only find on MSC. It's still early, so they're closed. Going back to the center. This will bring us to the atrium again. On this level of the atrium is the excursions desk. Of course, another bar. Fancy stairs. We're coming back to the middle elevators. And behind the middle elevators is another MDR. This is the Panama restaurant. That's where I've been having dinner. And that's about it for 6. We'll head to 7. Now we're all the way forward on deck 7 in the Metropolitan Theater again. Here at the top main entrance. There's 1 on each side. We're going to start heading aft. First we'll pass the forward elevator banks. Then we enter the Miami Casino. Slot machines are mostly on the starboard side, and your table games are on the port side. We'll pass through the casino, and pretty soon we come to the atrium again. Decks 5, 6, 7, 8 are all part of the atrium. And here in the atrium there's the champagne bar. And there's 2 ways you can head aft. On the starboard side, you'll come after you pass the middle elevators, you'll come to the Haven Lounge and the billiard room. We'll take the port side, it's a little more fun. We're passing the middle elevators. Here we come to the arcade games and the bowling alley. There's also an F1 simulator. 2 bowling lanes here. Air hockey and a few other things. Next we come to the garage elevator. This is really cool. Great photo spot. Yeah, we're almost all the way to the aft. Deck 7 is finally a deck that will go all the way to the aft and the aft elevators. Here we have a pool on deck 7. It's called South Beach. There's only 2 aft elevators. They're glass, and they go from deck 7 up to 18. All the way forward on deck 8 is Techno Gym, and next to that, the MSC Spa. Now passing the forward elevators going aft. On the port side is the sports bar. On the starboard side is the Sea View Lounge. And then we come to Piazza, some more shops. There's another excursion desk. It's not open as much as the main one on deck 7. Here on the starboard side is the future cruise desk. On the port side is Hola Tacos and Cantina. And then of course we have the atrium again. And then the middle elevators. And then your main buffet. Not the only buffet. This one's called Marketplace Buffet. It's the big one. What I suggest is you get your food and then head outside. You can watch the sunrise. There's lots of outside dining on both sides. Go all the way to the aft. You have a view of the pool on deck 7. And there's access to the 2 glass elevators back here. All right, decks 9 through 15 are all cabins, so we skip that. We're on deck 16 forward. Here you have access to the yacht club and the top sail lounge, but not me. And just after the forward elevators is the chef's court with the butcher's steakhouse and the Asian market kitchen. That's your Asian restaurant. And you cannot get to the aft pool and buffet from this forward elevator, so we're gonna skip over to the middle elevator. We're by the middle elevators in Biscayne Bay Restaurant and Buffet. You can't go any farther forward than the buffet, so we're going to start heading aft, past the middle elevators. There's more outside dining. And we come to the Miami Beach pool, Miami Beach bar, Seaside Theater. They've had dance classes and trivia there. It's a popular pool. Plenty of hot tubs out here. It's only, well, dancing hippos for decorations. It's only a little bit more to the end of deck 16. And my favorite part of this deck, which is the Bridge of Sighs. Let's try it out. The Italians are superstitious about 17, so there is no deck 17, so next is deck 18. Here on deck 18 forward, there's more yacht club. We'll pass through the middle elevator bay to the jungle pool. This is a fun one, probably the best decorated pool area. It's inside now, has a retractable roof. Very comfortable seating back here. Foosball. And definitely the kids' favorite part, the Forest Aqua Venture Park. There'll be a sign-up desk here for the water slides. This is great for kids. The water slides are great for everyone. Now we're coming to the middle elevators, and back here in the aft, you're going to have the kids clubs on both sides. Now we're on deck 19, where the top 19 solarium is. We're going to go to the outside in order to go aft. It's a hot tub and the yacht club forward. We're passing the jungle pool with the roof closed. Oop. Coming back to the lounge area, it's good for everyone. You can see where some of the water slides come out. More of the Aqua Venture Park is here. Stairs up to the water slides. Access to the basketball court. There's also stairs up to the zip line there. We'll come to the aft. There's a view of the Miami Beach pool. The only thing left is deck 20. A little more of the Aqua Venture kids park, basketball court. Behind that is the bleachers. And some of the best views on the whole ship as we head into Marseille, France. See you next time.